हाय बच्चों, आप लोगों को जेई फिजिक्स मेड इजी यूट्यूब चैनल के अंदर स्वागत है। तो वीडियोस अच्छा लग रहा है तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा। जो भी डाउट है तो आप लोग कमेंट में पूछ लीजिएगा, ठीक है। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाला है सेकेंड चैप्टर यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट्स में 2.10 डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस एंड इट्स एप्लीकेशंस, ठीक है। तो आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं 2.10 में डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस एंड इट्स एप्लीकेशंस। इसमें फर्स्ट टॉपिक है 2.10.1 चेकिंग द डायमेंशनल कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ इक्वेशंस। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाला है एक कॉन्सेप्ट 2.10.1 में चेकिंग द डायमेंशनल कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ इक्वेशंस। ओके, we can add or subtract similar physical quantities. Okay, different quantities we cannot add or subtract. Okay, this is known as principle of homogeneity of dimensions in an equation. Okay, in an equation. Okay, based on this we can check the correctness of the equation. Okay, when equation is there, left side dimensions and right side dimensions should be the same. That is known as a consistency of the equation. Okay, otherwise it is not consistent, dimensionally consistent. So dimensions of the left side of the equation should be equal to the dimensions of the right side of the equation. Okay, quantities in the right side of the equation. Okay, तो लेफ्ट साइड में जो है राइट साइड में वही होना चाहिए, इसका मतलब वही है। तो इसके लिए एक क्वेश्चन ले लेंगे, तब आपको आसानी से समझ में आ जाएगा, ठीक है। सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस इज डायमेंशनली इनकरेक्ट? सी हियर वर्क इज इक्वल टू टॉर्क इनटू थीटा। वर्क का यूनिट है W, the convention is same. Anyhow, I will explain each and every term also. Work done, torque is torque, theta is the angle. Okay, so torque is Newton meter, theta is not having any units, and work done is also having Newton meter is the unit. So this is dimensionally correct. Directly we can check directly. This we will see later. H is equal to 2s cos theta by rho rg. R means radius, rho is the density of the liquid, S is surface tension, theta is the angle, H is the height of the capillary rise or capillary fall. Okay, this is the equation, basically direct equation. This is also 2s cos theta by rho g a or rho g r. Okay, this is also correct. And J is equal to epsilon into dou E by dou T. Whether this is correct or not we can check. And volume is, this is volume is equal to pi. P means pressure, A means radius, a to the power of 4, 8, eta means coefficient of viscosity, L means length. So these two equations we have to check whether they are correct or wrong. If one of them is correct, the other will be wrong. Without doing also we can say. Okay, so the first one is A is work done is equal to torque into theta. This is actually in rotational mechanics. Work done is for the torque. What is the work done by the torque means this is the direct equation. Otherwise you can substitute the units, Newton meter. This is also Newton meter, and angle doesn't have. So same. So dimensions also I am not checking, because even if you substitute the dimensions you will get the same dimensions. Okay, so this is correct. Then V is equal to volume is equal to pi into P a to the power of 4 divided by 8 eta L. So this is eta definition. Let us check. Shear stress is directly proportional to R. Directly you can write F by A. Force by unit area is equal to eta into dV by dx. Velocity gradient. This is known as velocity gradient directly. So F by A, shear stress or pressure, you can write directly. P dx by V directly you can write. Okay. Eta means, I am simplifying in a shortcut method. Otherwise you can substitute the dimensions directly here and you will get the answer also. Pi and 8 there is no need. Volume means L cube. Pressure you have to substitute. Eta you have to substitute. This is length, this is length. So directly also you can substitute. But I am directly taking this, you can take as P dx by V. Actually pressure and stress are having same units, that's why I took P for substituting here. So volume is equal to pi by 8, I am removing P a to the power of 4 divided by eta means P into dx by V. P get cancelled, L is here. So here a to the power of 4 means directly I will substitute. Now length I will substitute in terms of length only. So L to the power of 4, this V will go up. So LT minus 1 divided by L. So this L get cancelled. This is L, this is L square actually, sorry. L square. So this square will go, this will go, L square. So L will be remained. So L cube T minus 1. Okay. But here this is only volume. So L cube only. So L cube per T is this one actually. This is actually Q is this way define. You can define actually discharge. Discharge means volume per unit time. So that way it is correct actually. Okay. So this is wrong. The B option is wrong. This is direct formula. This you can check anyhow. J F's. So Coulomb's law is Coulomb's law. Directly I am writing. So from Coulomb's law, what is epsilon? F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. So epsilon you send here. So epsilon is equal to, if 1 by 4 pi I am removing, Q square by F R square. Okay. And what is E? E means electric field. Electric field is equal to F by Q. So directly I can substitute here. This is current density. J is current density. That we will check later. Epsilon means Q square by F R square. Delta rho E means F by Q 1 by time T. Okay. F get cancelled. Q 1 Q will go off. And Q by T is I. So I by R square. I is ampere meter to the power of minus 2. Ampere per meter square is current density. Okay, current density is ampere per meter square. Okay. So directly you can say. So once again I am explaining. F is Coulomb's law I am writing. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. So epsilon is equal to Q square by F R square. So directly I have written, I removed 4 pi because dimensions we are checking. So Q square by F R square, E is equal to F by Q. So directly I am substituting here Q square by F R square, E electric field, F by Q, T I am taking 1 by T. So F get cancelled, Q square, Q will go, Q is there, Q by T is current by R square, ampere per meter square. This is current density. Current density is defined as current per unit area, that is same ampere meter to the power minus 2 is the dimension. Okay, dimension unit actually. So this you can write AL minus 2 is the dimension, right side and left side also the same. Okay. So here only B is wrong. So directly I am showing B is the incorrect equation. So directly if you remember the equations, directly you can take this is correct, this is correct, this is also correct. Directly you can, these two are correct, so directly you can check this. If this is correct, this is wrong. Or you check this, if this is wrong, okay, if this is correct, then this should be wrong. ठीक, तो आसानी से हो जाएगा. तो dimensionally correct or not, we can check from this one. Actually, even if it is consistent, we cannot determine the constants, trigonometric functions, etc. Practically, they will get one equation. They will check for the dimensional consistency. If the dimensional consistency does not exist, means if it is correct, incorrect, then that equation is wrong. That's all. That we can say. But if it is dimensionally correct, then also we cannot say it is correct. But practically, the equations they will derive practically by experiments. They will determine one equation. They will check for the dimensional consistency. Okay, that way it is useful anyhow. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.